So here you're gonna see bedroom 1 when you come upstairs. Nice sized room, nice closet, plenty of space.
And what school district are we in?
We are in Council Rock School District, which is a highly rated school in Pennsylvania.
Very desired in today's market for sure.
Yes. This is bedroom 2 of the upstairs, which is also a great size. Great size house, ample room, no real small bedroom, so it's a great thing. And then this here is bedroom 3, which is also a great size. In some houses, this would be considered a master. Great closet space, ceiling fans in all rooms.
So everything's been upgraded here, right? New carpet, new doors, new like trim, handles,
Yes,
all
new
that.
2-panel doors, new colonial trim, paint throughout, HVAC system complete. Yeah.
Okay.
Here we come into the master, which is a great size. You have him and her closets, ceiling fan with light. Here we have the master bathroom, which has been completely remodeled, complete with a Carrera style tile, beautiful glass doors, great vanity, and great ample space. Here we have the shared hall bath, which is a great size. You got a double vanity with a quartz top, beautiful cabinetry, great space with tub and a linen closet.